Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, I hope all you are doing great. In this video today we are going to discuss a very amazing topic that how to find important keyword from job description. Only with the help of two simple easy method I will tell you that how to find important keyword. Friend, sometimes you know that we get the JD containing the 4 to 5 pages. In that job description, we get confused that how to find the important keyword. In this video, I will show you the live demo with the help of job description. So let's move further without delaying any more. So first have a look at what are the two simple and easy method. First method is that read the JD properly and highlight technology's name. Second simple method is that Google the responsibilities of a given position, given requirement by our client. So with the help of these two simple method, we can easily find the important keyword from our job description. So let us move towards the example. So friends, watch the video till the end. I have basically taken the example of 2 to 3 job description so that it will help you a lot to understand this. So let us move further, but before that friend, if you have not subscribed my channel or new one on my channel, so please hit on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. In this channel you will get the video related to the recruitment only. So you are requested to hit on the subscribe button. Now let us move towards the job description. So friends, this is our job description given by our client. So first requirement is that GCP Cloud Engineer. Let us follow the first simple easy method that highlight the technology name. I will read the line by line, okay. Whatever the technology name I will find, I will simply highlight it. And after highlighting, we can easily put the keyword in our Naukri portal. So let's read one by one. First, here it is mentioned 5+ years software engineering or DevOps experience. Means our client is looking a person having 5+ years DevOps experience. Okay. So DevOps is a technology name. Let us highlight this one. Okay, I have taken the yellow color. So DevOps experience required with the good technical knowledge of the foundation of computer science and engineering. Second line, experience with infrastructure as code technique including the tools like Terraform. So Terraform is also a technology, just to highlight this one. Means whatever the technology's name you find, just highlight the technology name. Similarly, third line is experience with building the robust production grade CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD is also a technology name, just highlight this one. Next, experience building, automating and monitoring production cloud environment, GCP preferred. Means we are looking a person having experience on the cloud as well. Which cloud is preferred? GCP. The name of position is itself saying that look a person having experience on the GCP cloud. So let us highlight this GCP. Next is knowledge of the automation and scaling of data and analytic platform. So friends, in this line there is no technology name mentioned. The next line is strong knowledge of the security and networking concept in practice. No technology name mentioned here also. Next is strong knowledge of the Docker Kubernetes. So friend, this is the technology name, Docker Kubernetes. So means client is looking a person having experience either in the Docker or Kubernetes. Next is coding skills in Python, Scala, Java, SQL or similar. Looking a person having experience either in one of the technology, either in the Python, Scala, Java or SQL. Next is excellent scripting skills, Bash, Python or PowerShell. This is also mandatory. Next, strong Linux skill. Linux is also a technology name. Okay. Next, knowledge of the data structure algorithm and distributed system. So friends, there is no technology name mentioned. In this way, friends, we can find out the highlighted important word from the keyword, from the job description. Whatever points I have highlighted, these are the technology name. So I have applied the first method, that highlight the technology name. Second method, as I told you, that is a Google the responsibility of the given requirement. Friend, you know that in the IT requirement, as you know very well, we have to work on the multiple requirement. If we search the responsibilities of the given requirement on the Google, somewhere we can come to know that what exactly is the requirement. We do not have to go in a deep, just we have to overview the requirement. Suppose that here I am working on the GCP cloud engineer, but I am not aware about this cloud GCP, like what is the full form of this GCP, or exactly the responsibility of GCP. Sometimes what happen when we search on a Google, we directly get the important technology used in the given requirement. So here first let us search the GCP. I just have to look the overview. First let me search the full form of GCP cloud in the technology. The full form of GCP is the Google Cloud Platform. So we can also use this keyword, this word in our search. While searching the resume, we can put the full form of GCP and GCP. Okay, friend. If I look at the responsibility of the GCP cloud engineer, if I mention that responsibilities of the GCP cloud engineer. So friends, look here. These are the person who design, develop and deploy the modular cloud-based system. So as I told, we do not have to go in a deep. We have to just overview the requirement. What exactly the GCP cloud engineer do. So here only we can read that they design, develop and deploy the modular cloud-based system. If sometimes what happens that if we mention the technologies used in the given requirement. Suppose that I am mentioning the technology used by the front-end developer. If I am working on the front-end developer requirement, if so technologies used, look, directly I get answer that HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the common technology used by the front-end developer. And this React, Angular, Vue, Next or TypeScript. Depend on the client requirement what exactly they are looking, that strong experience on the React or either Angular. So friends, my point is that sometimes we get the exact technologies of the given requirement. If we do not get the technologies, do not get worry, just overview the basically just get some idea that what exactly the responsibility of the given requirement. Friend, this is a very simple JD. You might have understand that how we find the important keyword from the job description. But where we stuck exactly when we find the job description containing 4 to 5 pages. Suppose that this is our next JD, that is a Azure Cloud Architect. Here friends, look, a lot of lines are mentioned there in this JD. So I will tell you that in a given big JD that how we find the important keyword. So our requirement is Azure Cloud Architect. We are looking at architect person and having experience on the Azure Cloud. Now same things we have to follow 2 steps. First step is that just to highlight the technology name. Okay. Let us read one by one line. First is a deliver cloud architecture solution. So let me highlight this architecture. Obviously we are looking a person who is playing a role as a architecture. So looking a person who is playing a role as a architecture. So here also mentioned deliver the cloud architecture solution to successfully meet the strategic need of company and sustain modernizing effort by planning. So this is the responsibility of the architect. Next line is lead other cloud architect to deliver solution for CDC. Lead other cloud. Obviously the person who is architect, that will also play a role of the leading a team. Leadership, he will also play a role. Next is should be experienced in automation with Terraform and Ansible. So friend, this Terraform and Ansible are the technology. So I have highlighted this Terraform and Ansible. Next is build hybrid cloud using Azure Cloud Services with AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, on-prem data center and private cloud. So friend, this is a different story of the cloud. many clouds are there. I will upload a video, different video specifically on the cloud. As of now, don't get confused that these are the hybrid cloud, private cloud, public cloud. Many clouds are there. So do not get confused. Just focus on a single cloud, that is the Azure. Because our main requirement is we are looking a person having experience on the Azure cloud. So this hybrid cloud, just avoid this thing. Next they have mentioned on-prem data center. So friend, this is also mandatory, like looking a person who has experience on migrating the on-prem data. So generally candidate mention this word in the resume. So let me highlight this on-prem word. Basically I'm looking a person having experience on the on-prem data center. If I only mention the on-prem data, I will get the relevant CV. Next is the experience in Docker or Kubernetes. So Docker, Kubernetes also a technology. Next is offer guidance in application migration from on-prem data center. So already I have highlighted this on-prem data. So as I told, looking a person who has experience in migration from on-prem data. So I know that candidate mentioned this on-prem word in their resume. So I have highlighted this. And Azure cloud. Azure I have already highlighted. Next is translate organizational level business requirement and use cases in the architectural capability. This is a responsibility of architect. Next is design solution independent architecture. Obviously this is also a responsibility. Continuously manage, monitor and update the architectural model and assess the product owner, solution architect. So friends, you just see that there is no technology mentioned in these lines. Okay, so I am just skipping this. Next, define the document cloud architecture. This is also architect responsibility. Friend, we do not have to waste too much time in understanding the JD, because we have to pick the important word from the JD and just put it on the Naukri portal, make a search and find the relevant CV. This is our work, because on the daily basis we have to achieve we have to maintain a strategy. So that is why if we waste our 15 to 20 minutes in reading the JD, so it would be critical for us to achieve the daily base target. Okay friend, so next line is expert level in infrastructure and application architecting in Microsoft Azure cloud, including PaaS and SaaS services. So friend, this PaaS and SaaS are the Azure cloud services. So looking a person having experience on PaaS and SaaS. Next, has a strong experience in migration from on-prem data. Already I have highlighted. Expert in hybrid cloud, including single on-prem using the Azure AD. This Azure AD is a technology. AD means Active Directory. For the hybrid cloud, friend, do not get confused in this hybrid per private or public cloud. Just focus on the Azure cloud. If we put a lot of word in the Naukri portal, Naukri portal will get confused and we do not find the relevant CV. So that is why just put the minimum word, but that should be relevant, so that our search will be relevant and we find the exact CV. Next is very familiar federal risk and authorization management program. Do not highlight anything in this line. Expert in cloud cost model services, knowledgeable in AWS cloud and VMware. And this is a good to have. Friend, when we get the JD containing 4 to 5 pages, then we do not focus on good to have technology, because already a lot of things are mentioned in this must have column. Okay, so friends, whenever we get long JD, just focus on the must have technology, avoid the good to have. And basically this JD contains 15 to 16 lines. And in this 15 to 16 lines, I have just picked out 7 to 8, maximum 7 to 8 keyword. So in this way only we can make the relevant search. Just put the architecture, cloud, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, and this PaaS, SaaS and Azure AD. And I am sure you will find the relevant CV. So I hope friends you have understood that how we are applying the two simple method. First is just pick up the important word from the JD. Second, Google the responsibility. Sometimes we get the exact technology used in the given requirement if we search it on the Google. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you have any kind of doubt, just mention in the comment box. I will clear it out. So thank you so much friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let us basically meet in the next video. Thank you.